Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll all the way down and click on Additional Settings, then Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards and Settings. Go into Theme and click on Show More to see all available options. After that, you can pick a color. Tap on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and click Apply, but you can also download one of the images and do the same. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!